or this live stream right now. Today we're going to be working on some more Among Us. Hopefully I'll be working on some of the gameplay and actually iron out all of that. Let's see here. We're also going to work on part of the map. We're going to be using some assets that probably some pre-made assets, and I might be modeling and creating some custom assets. But for now, we'll be working mainly on the gameplay today. So pretty much I want to get done, set up like all of the blueprint. So when you press play, you open the map and it randomly selects the crewmates and the imposter, all that sort of stuff. So just give me a second here. Just gotta get the stream all set up. Hopefully my mic is at a good volume. All right, can you guys hear me? Is this a decent volume? Let's see, let me save this. All right, it's all good. All right, let me see. Okay, so yeah, welcome everyone to the stream. Give me a second here. What's up? Yeah, so I'll show you guys what I've been working on. I did little work, okay, over the past couple days. And actually just now, like a couple hours before. So if we go to a lobby, did a bit of work here on the map to show you guys here. Yeah, so player name, by the way. Anyway, so here's a lobby map for now. I made all these textures and stuff. They're all right. I mean, I'm not the best, obviously. Oh yeah, I made this chair model too. Yeah, so right now I have it set up so it can automatically choose a random color to assign the player, and also you can set your name. But right now I'm actually working on the name. So I can show you how that works if we go into a main menu. Hold on, let me check my stream settings here. Just making sure everything is good. So how is everyone today? You boys ready to play some Among Us? Okay, so if we do 3, I think. Hold on, lobby, game mode. What did I set this to? 4? Let's bump that down to 3. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do standalone. Alright, my thumbnail should update here anytime soon for the stream. Change it a couple times. Alright, so this is what we got. Got our menu. We have 3 instances open. Online. I'm gonna go to host. You can set maximum players. Server name, whatever, doesn't matter. Okay, so you can see spawn in. And this is the part that I need to work on, the player name. Having a little bit of trouble with that. Okay, so because this is a listen server, when I create the widget, I can't do it only on the client since this character is also a server. client and server. So a little issue with that. So there's our server. Go ahead and join it. Oh yeah, and sometimes, I don't know why the color is the same. Little bug there. Okay, test 1, 2. And as you can see there, I need to work on the name because it just automatically hides. I have it set to a rep notify. And oh yeah, and so when the maximum players join, right now I just have it to automatically open the ship map and start the game. So obviously I need to set like a timer on that. But yeah, and then I need to set up the spawn points for these players so they spawn around the table. And then I also need to work on the name. I don't want it scaled up like that. And view distance. So like I want the player to disappear when I get a certain distance. Okay, so. Oh yeah, and you can see there when I close the server, it exited out the other players. Okay, so I'll go ahead and close that. So I think we're working on the lobby right now. The way I have this set up is it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of a lot. So I have the lobby UI where I can enter the player's name or the custom name or whatever. So there's all that. Trying to do some replication in my game. Just want to ask, is it bad practice to use replicated from an actor component that is attached to a player? So what component are you using? What do you mean movement system? I'm not doing any custom movement or anything. It's default character movement. I just set the walk speed up to 800, the default value. So I'm not setting any of that on the fly. It's just static. Okay, so this is my rep notify. Player name. So custom actor component, I use my player. I mean, if you just make like a character custom actor component, I don't really think so. Let's see here. Component replication. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see here. So we got the player name. It's a widget basically. Screen, timing, draw size, manually redraw, draw desired size. I think. Let's see here. Let's play 2 offline right now. So go to online, host. A few custom actor components, handling projectiles, additional movement. Need to replicate the movement component of the projectiles probably. Online. What's up everyone tuning in? We're just working on Among Us, some gameplay. It's gonna be probably a little boring, at least until I get this all set up. Yeah. Okay, so it's hiding for some reason. So when I click the confirm, it hides the name for some reason, which obviously I don't want that to happen. Yeah, and I'm getting this error here because I'm creating the widget here on event begin play in the controller, and it's not set to like only on client or whatever. Because if I were to set it only on client, then the server wouldn't be able to set its own name, since it's a listen server. Okay, let's see here. So let me hold on here. Yeah, so it might be a little boring stream for a bit until we get things set up. As for now, let me get the music set up here. Except I'm gonna have to have it on like the lowest volume. Okay, so update name. Okay, so we have our controller. So UI, owning player. Updating the name in the player controller. Set visibility. Okay, we'll just set these all to not replicated. Set player name up, a third person character. Event graph. Set with notify from 1 to 4:53 a.m. Dang. Yeah, here, let me see. Yeah, okay. Now that worked. Okay, hold on. Okay, so that should be some quiet music there. Online hosts. Yeah, so we're just gonna be doing a lot of testing here. Yeah, I want to update the name. So it won't. So I listened to some Epic Travis. Yeah, that's what I'd listen to. The only problem with that, if I listen to some Travis Scott, it's like this video is gonna get claimed. So I gotta listen to, you know, the free stuff. What subsystem are you using? I'm using the online subsystem, or advanced sessions. Player name, boys. Oh yeah, how do you set the name to not scale? You can see here. I want to have it stay the exact same size. Yeah, so the name is being set right now on the client. And so, yeah, ignore that error. Player name is a rep notify. Expose. So default is player name. Player set name up. On the button, cause function, player name variable multicasted. Yeah. Well, the thing is, I have it set up to. Oh, I guess I do have to do a multicasts and notify. On a server. update name. What was I doing? You need the name, update both on clients and server. Yeah. I'm gonna pass a name through the events. Usually you don't want to do this, but since it's just a name, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so we'll see if this does it. Actually, here I'll get 2 clients, 3 clients. Well, one of them's gonna be the server. The listen server. Why is it play offline? I do play offline because it's the main menu. I could play in this map, but yeah, I could probably just play it from the map. Oh, I guess I should have been connected. Anyone live in the New Jersey city area? Okay, so. Okay, it doesn't look like it's setting at all. So if we go to. Okay, so I'll show you how I have it set up. At GUI. Okay, so there's my widget. It's really scuffed how I set it up, by the way. Like, it's passing this variable through like 5 classes. Alright, so you enter your name, press the confirm button, cast it to the player controller, get the only player, sets a variable in the player controller, player name, update that name, update the name, cast it to player state, set the player state name to that name, set player name, cast the character with the reference of the character. This is the player state. Set the player name up, and then the character set the player name up. Is on server multi, and a rep notify. Rep notify is right here. On rep notify, cast the player name, set the name of a widget to the player name. Because right in here we did set name up. Boom, 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 boom. Client has his own player controller. Yeah, so so the widget's being created on the player controller, but I'm passing the name from the UI to the controller, to the player state, to the character. And the reason why I did this is because I actually want to save the data between the maps. So what this does is it saves the character, the color, and the name, copies the properties, and overrides the next player state on the basically, let me explain this. So after we're in the lobby and we go to the ship map, it's gonna save the variables in the player state over to the next map. This is what basically this does. This is just setting the player controller, or the player color. You can ignore that. Down here is where I set the name. So that's the name. Third person characters where I set the name. On server. Okay, so if I could. Third person character ref. Let's see here, player name. You need to add box collision for imposter to kill player, yeah. Let me test this real quick. Content, maps, lobby. Net, GUI, get that. See, replicated variable, the name. What, like the net ID of the player? Switch on int node for imposter, choose random. Yeah. Here, let me just do this. That way I don't get this stuff for now. Capsule collision. Player controller state. Okay, so it was working for the server. Clickbait. It's not clickbait. Here's my ship map. Let's see. Boom, boys. Software. It's not Among Us. Yeah, it's called Among Us in UE4, dude. This is not Among Us. He's making it not fun. Alright. You need to create a widget blueprint with the imposter to kill sometimes, right? Yeah. I know. Player controller update name. Yeah, I'll add a minimap. Don't put Among Us in your title. It's not the real Among Us game. It's a fake ripoff version. Among Us is not the real game. Dude, this guy's never heard of Unreal Engine before. That's so funny, dude. All right, yeah, he's just mad he gets voted. He's the first one that gets voted off. What's up? It's me, bro. Is that the real It's Me, bro? He's not playing Among Us, he's making his own version 3D. Alright, see, it hides it. So yeah, should I remove Among Us from the title since it so it won't be clickbait, guys? Alright, let's see here. We're on a server, multicast with the UE4. Maybe we'll just do but it should get called anyways. Yeah, dude, everyone clickbaits. Like, literally everyone on YouTube. Everyone on the platform, dude. Not you? Yeah. How much is it gonna cost? $3.99, boys. Alright, I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing wrong here, okay? For some reason, it's hiding the name, but I'm also not doing it on the server, so that could be an issue. YouTube Twitter account was on fire. What's up, Rubber Ducky? The man, the myth, the legend. Yeah. I made the seats, I made all these textures. Print string off the name. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's see what's happening. Blank. So the variable is not being passed. This is probably wrong. How do we get the player control in the widget? Yeah, in the widget. Yeah, turn the music down, yeah. Is that good? What should I do for here? It's not player controller, it's get owning pawn. Is that what I had it at? No, that's not it. Warning, do not put Among Us in the title because it's a fake version of Among Us. This game can be found on Steam for $3.99 on free mobile device. What do you use to record? So right now, it's kind of scuffed. I use the NVIDIA stuff, NVIDIA overlay or whatever. I really need to get Streamlabs, but I'm just lazy. It's called Among Us on Steam on iOS. Alright, I'm gonna put this guy in timeout. Client needs to send a name, server needs to get it. Updates the name on the client. Okay. Okay, so we'll add a couple strings here. That way we know what we're doing. Terminated. Controller, we'll add one here. Wait, no, I don't need to do that. Okay. You should show it off in Discord. There's another debugging method. If you want to learn blueprints, watch Dev Squad Blueprint series. Client 1 and a controller. Controller, so it does pass it over. So now this right here is where it does not go over. Let's do the same thing here. Test it out. Change this to player state. Okay. PC, so it does pass over. Third person character. This runs on a server. Name. Yeah, it's free. Don't really know if I could sell it, you know what I mean? Yeah, if I try and sell it, that one guy's gonna report me for clickbait and for selling it. Alright, let's see, print the string. Right here. Player name. Yeah, set with notify is kind of not really working. Here. We'll get rid of the UI one. Where can you donate? I don't really have a donate button set up. Yeah, and sometimes it spawns the same color, which is not cool. They're both clients. So it doesn't ever pass through here. Oh, wait. Let's try this. It's a node doesn't have to be cast. Use a variable reference only. Yeah. Player state, this is where the issue. What engine did you learn first, Unity or Unreal Engine? Haven't you learned Unity? On Steam Advanced Session, if one player went to the main menu lobby, the whole match exists, went to the lobby. You mean like a listen server? So what was that error again? I'm trying to read properties, so. Because I don't think I did the event post login, probably. That's why things are not working. Pretty sure. Public, so we're gonna go ahead and host. No, I'm not using Steam. I'm just using online subsystem. That's so annoying, dude. The colors are the same. It's probably just extra tip. You don't need to cast to node because the variable reference return the same as TPS output to a cast node. Oh, okay. I don't know, I've done that before where I've just used like a reference and sometimes it just doesn't work. How do I feel about, I don't know, UE engine? I don't know, haven't ever used it. Respawn a name on top of the player's head. It's a widget. Let me just use the variable. I'm not using Steam, using online subsystem. Advanced sessions, I guess. Not online subsystem, I don't know. Yeah, so here I'll show you how it creates a session. So on my main menu I have this UI, main menu. Basically, same advanced session. So I made a bunch of stuff in here. Server browser, the main menu. Okay, so it's the main menu, join menu. Okay, so you can click on those buttons. Host server. So all the settings for to create a session. This is all the blueprint. So on click public game, you're gonna find the sessions, advance, and then create a session, create advanced session, public connections, all that stuff, open level, listen server, and then find sessions. It's gonna create like a widget, server entry widget in the server browser. Volumetric clouds. Yeah, I mean, yeah, Unreal Engine already has volumetric clouds. They're just, I think they're experimental, so should be coming out 4.26. Yeah, how much is you? How do you spell that? See here. Community free, community pro engineering. $150 a month. Core, let's see here. Pro badge, access to beta versions. Did $150 a month? Commercial projects, defense, gambling, energy, mine, oil and gas. What? Simulation, games. Let's go with games. Looks pretty good, man. Free download. What does it use though? Like C++? Among Us with RTX. Right now I'll show you what I got. So it's not RTX. Not really RTX, you know what I mean? Maybe we'll like remaster it later on with like some good models and stuff, some high quality pre-made assets or whatever. Have like a little option you can change between. There's no free for the month. Wait, what do you mean? For this month? They release all the, for Unreal Engine Marketplace stuff, they released on Tuesday. Yeah, I'm trying to use C++, but don't really know it. Disable the jump. Yeah, probably. Server browser right here, so I can click on that. Yeah, the colors are working this time. Print hello world, yeah. Basically when there's like 10 people or whatever the max amount of players are in here, it'll open up this ship map, like, and teleport all the players, and also it'll save all the colors for their name, or their player colors, not their name. Working on their name still. Okay, so this part is where it's having the trouble, it's having issues. Let's try that. Oh, it's just printing off a string. Wait, but third person, it doesn't really matter if I run it from this map. Client, wait, no. This game work on Android. I've been meaning to contact you for voice call and some questions. Jump in Discord. Let's see here. Yeah, dude, I'm struggling with the names right now. That's what happens when I try to do stuff on stream. Like when I do stuff off stream, dude, I'll just zoom through that, you know? If I try to do it on stream, dude, it's like struggle city. And then I got everyone watching me. Tools for UE4 not available. It should be available, dude. Go to github.com/epicgames/Unreal Engine. Blender tools. Send Unreal. Download. Epic Games. Blender tools right there. If it's not for the things he taught me, it will not be the best game developer in the class. Yeah, no problem, man. Yeah, dude, streaming is pretty distracting. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, yeah, the thing about Blueprint though is you can't really copy paste code. I mean, you can just like look it up and then do what the person in the picture did. third person character. Yeah, that's where I think I need to do the cast. I think that's the issue here. I'm gonna do this, obviously, not replicated. Scared of blueprints. Do you use C++? Yeah, I'm struggling on this name system. Doesn't really matter, honestly, for now. So I have all that set up. I'll work on it later, because I know you guys don't want to watch me do that for like an hour. Okay, we'll do this stuff. So, blueprints, game mode. Switch has authority, spawn a character, do the color. So let's see here, what do we got? So we have 2 October assets. They're not out yet till Tuesday. They don't release them till Tuesday. Open for contract. Not really. Don't really have any free time. Okay, let's see here. So okay, so we need to crewmates, spawn in the cafeteria. What's my workload? I'm busy, man. Spawn. Spawn a cafe. Okay, so basically, crewmate tasks. There's a task bar at the top left. Task. Updates when crewmates do tasks. Emergency button has delay before being active, yeah. Yeah, find references and show dependencies. Okay, so choose crewmates, choose imposter. Spawning cafe. Crewmates randomly assign random tasks. Taskbar at the top left. Updates when crew members do tasks. Okay. So let's see here. Choose crewmates. So we can do it here. Game state. let's see here. So I'm just trying to figure out where to do this. Cafe. Should I choose a crewmates and imposter in the game state? Or I think the game mode. But the thing about the game mode is I can't. Let's see here. Spatial iOS or spatial OS. Dude, I haven't used that. I haven't checked it out. I need to check it out sometimes. I did something, move your project around quickly. Okay, so one of these characters that spawns in is the imposter and the rest are crewmates, okay? And we can do a variable in the player state. We'll just do in a character because it won't really matter. And the character will get cleared anyways. Unless they're dead. Is dead. Oh, and I also need to work. Yeah, so how is spatial OS? Yeah. There's assets this month. They just released it on Tuesday. So the 6th of October is when they'll release it. They do it every Tuesday, the first Tuesday of the month. And then I'll probably make a video Thursday about it. Or Thursday the 8th, right here. Okay, so we add is dead. We also want to add is imposter. So I want to add a list of tasks. We're going to add a tasks in here as well. So a task will be something predefined. So let's see here. A task will be like consisting of a variable. Thanks for the environment. What do you mean this? So let's see here. It's Tuesday? Yeah. Okay, it's me, bro. Let's see here. Server. Do it. Execute on server. For the name value, multicast, create name widget, set widget. Create input widget, add to viewport. 2. Set server do it. Third person character. So okay, so you go straight. Wait, but how do you get owning player pawn? How do you do, let's see here. Does that work? Run construct. Set owning. The music hides my voice. Yeah, I try to make the music as. I think the music's starting to overtake your voice. Yeah, it's too loud. I don't know how. I have it on 1. I don't even think you guys can hear the music anymore. Spatial OS, they use cloud computing to run multiple versions of Unreal Engine. You can have 1,000 player servers that pair 60 game modes. Dang. Multi-biome open world. Oh yeah, no problem. Okay, so let's see if this works here. We got... So you want me to do this in a widget, right? Third person... First image character, second image is widget. Okay, so in this, oh wait, no, wrong widget. Send the names to the character, yeah. That's what I need to do, send them directly to the character. The only thing was I wanted to pass it to player state, but I'll do that eventually. Let's see here, event construct. Will that work? Let's see here. Construct cast to third person character. Get owning player pawn. Gonna set that there. And on text change editable text. On text change editable text. Downloaded the multi-biome and couldn't figure out how to access it. Sent me down a rabbit hole. What do you mean? Set the text. Text 1. Server text, we'll just do that. Okay, so there isn't any music right now because, yeah, I need to figure out my mic. It's like way too low. Oh, I need to add the value so the variable can be passed. And then I need to create the widget UI. Where did I do that? On event begin play. Update the name. Yeah, I'll undo that. Oh wait, no. Does that, and then we'll do let's see here, set widget to that. Okay, so I think it'll work. Look up slightly for music solution. Yeah. See how he runs event on the server and then multicast run from there. That's how Unreal multiplayer functions through event replication. Yeah, the only thing I'm wondering about is the rep notify, like when another player joins. late. All right, let's see here, player name. Okay, so maybe I'll just create the widget like you showed me. Oh, I didn't even do anything there. I'm retarded. Server text. Can you guys hear the music? Is it like, cause I can't even hear it. Oh, hey boys, it works. It works, boys. No music. Didn't know that you can set up online multiplayer through Blueprint. Nah, dude. Yeah, that's the thing that sucks, dude. A lot of people don't know that you can do multiplayer with Blueprint. Now, okay, so it works. Stuff, let's see here. Set text, and no one is trying to read that. It's because I don't do cast, but that's fine for now. So now if I test this out, play as offline. Dedicated, it's going to be a listen server. Okay, so if we do host, player name, so because it's a listen server, it won't let me edit the name here. No, let's see here. You didn't know you can do this all in BP? Yeah. Blueprint Extreme Limited. Good optimized net code. Yeah, I mean, if you're making a game where it's like I don't know, like this, 10 players, doesn't really matter. Like you could have hella replicated stuff and it wouldn't really matter since it's just like 10 players. Okay, so here's a real test online. Public. Dual streaming or not seeing the chat? No, I'm not dual streaming. I just don't have a chat on the screen. Okay, yeah, so player name, I need to set up a rep notify, boys. So in here, we need to do this. Set with the notify. Yeah. All right, make sure you know stream on OBS. Yeah, I need to get Streamlabs. It's been lazy to download it and set it all up. The thing is, like, I want to like add some overlays, but if I add like overlays, it's gonna block some of these things. All right, let's see if this test of this works. So what I just did is set up a rep notify so that we can test that. Yeah, banana meter. I was messing around with that, and it was like a pain to set up. Like I used to stream where I'd have Discord open too, but I had Discord on a separate channel so that people couldn't hear people in the Discord while I stream. All I remember is like it was a ton of setup. Okay, so there we go. See? Worked, boys. So I set up a rep notify. You have a cell phone open on your stream chat and put it on your main monitor. What? There's like a bunch of people, right? If it's Streamlabs, you can get free website and domain, yeah. Two people in the chat, a rep notify, it notifies the clients when the property changes over the network. Yes. Yeah, so what I just did here, so if you saw earlier, without the rep notify, when I joined the game, this character's name was just player name. It wasn't ASDF. But with the rep notify, I joined the game, and because I joined late, it still updated the name to ASDF. Because right in here, I have it to run on server, multicast, and rep notify. So this code, this function gets fired off when this gets set. And basically that's just all my widget info to set the widget. NVIDIA broadcaster is easiest to set up. Okay, and another thing I want to would like to do is set the name in the player state as well, but so that it carries over. So to do that, we can go in here and we set the name already. We also want to update the name. Now it's me, bro. Gave me the info on how to do the UI to the character stuff, which yeah. Let me see here. Yeah, let's see here. Are you planning on making the voting level a separate level? Yeah, if you, the way I'm gonna do it is, did I have it set literally to low, like 1%? So the way I'm gonna have it set up is I'm just gonna have the ship map be the main map. I'm not gonna be any transitioning through levels in here when the game is going. It's just gonna be this, that just to keep things simple. So like when the emergency meeting gets called, everyone will just get teleported here around the table. All that stuff. Then someone asked, did you learn these from official UE4 multiplayer YouTube videos? Yeah, so a really good way to learn a lot of this stuff is right here. UE4 Networking Compendium. I'll leave a link for this in the chat. It's a really good read. So this has everything you really need to know about multiplayer. So it tells you everything, how all the classes work, the framework, explains the game mode, some of the important functions in there. Then also explains game state. Oh, my bad. So game mode, game state, player state. Let's see here. Yeah, so player state, all the variables in there. This is where I learned that stuff about copying over the player state variables to another map. So this is really important. Like I literally couldn't find this anywhere online except for this document. Like I literally couldn't find this anywhere. I searched everywhere for it. Pawn. And then it gives you some examples to work through. So, but yeah, overall, good stuff in here. Wouldn't be using game instance for stuff like that, yeah. Yeah, I don't use game instance for... Well, no, you don't want to use game instance for like players. Well, at least I use game instance for my Fall Guys one. What did I use it for? Actually, no, I didn't use it. Never mind. Okay, so what was I doing? Oh, yeah. So, I need to set the player state as well. So I actually need a controller ref in here. Event begin play. I need to set the controller ref. Ooh. PC object. Just a player controller. Oh, I don't even have a player controller. We're no good things without Rubber Ducky. Where is he? Yeah. I don't know where he is. I haven't done much asset work or any stuff. Okay, so what I wanted to do was set the name. So I want to... Can I get the player? Yeah, I can get the player state off a controller. I need to make a controller. Beyond silence, game modes. Game instance. I mean, you can use it for like some stuff, but yeah, I don't know. For like single player, you can use it as much as you want. It doesn't really matter. What microphone am I using? I'm using the Yeti, I think. I don't know. Blue Yeti, I don't know. Ship map player controller object. Okay, so we need to set player controller object is not okay, so I need to player controller object reference. That's I just need to make it a blank player control object reference. Player controller ref, calm down. Dude, I don't know why I can't just like get rid of this. Okay, so now we got a reference. Fall Guys, let's see here. Did you know some alternate dimension or smart player can just make a better version of the game with just blueprint? Replication setting. Hopefully it's not too bad. Hopefully the stream's not too bad without music. Okay. So now we can set player state and game. We don't have, oh, we do have player state. It's the same state as the other one. Name variable, player name variable. So I don't know if I want to multicast this, execute on the server. Let's see here. Yeah, everyone open up your own music. Blueprint actually used VM to transform itself into C++, significant overhead. Let's see. Games running on BP also always never be shipped to production. Yeah, I heard native eyes though, like screws it up though. Like it creates like a billion bugs or something, like crashes the game. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. My Fall Guys game was fine. I mean, I haven't done much performance testing, like seeing how, yeah, small delays is fine, I guess, yeah. Let's see here. Okay, so I don't want to multicast this. Maybe we'll do this. Among Us, Fall Guys, Intel i3, 8th gen. I think so, I don't know. Even then get performance, yeah. Yeah, Blueprint is fine, honestly. Fortnite made with C++ Blueprint? I don't know. Both. Okay, so I need to remember what I'm doing here. I'm losing my train of thought. Yeah. Yeah, hybrids are best. I mean, you can't really do one or the other. Well, I mean, you can just do Blueprint, but like you can't just do C++. Let's see here. Like obviously for like the UI, you're not gonna spend like an hour trying to do that. Let's see, what am I doing? Yes, player state and event begin play on the game mode. I want to do some stuff here, which is set this stuff here. Server text, set that. So set player name, I want to do that. Set player name is to the name of the variable. Wait. Yes. Performance reliable BP for less performance stuff like play particle effects. Yeah. Loops and stuff absolutely stuck in Blueprints. The profile shows horrible results, almost 5 times slower. Oh. So you do all your loops in C++? It takes 5 minutes to make UI using C++, really? Does it now? let's see here. Okay, so I did this, set player state color, target is there. Player state, set the color. So it already has a name, so I can just call the event in here. What? Oh. Wait. Oh. This needs to be changed. This needs to go up there. And, oh yeah. This color. This can be deleted here, set name up. Basically, I just needed to do the same thing that I did here. I'll just do set text. Wait, what? Oh. Servertext. Okay, let's see, what's the chat saying? Tech overtime, so unreal documentation not good. Need UE4 brackeys. You want no core. Early version UE5 might be out early 2021 with the actual engines out later in 2021. Yeah. Yeah, the only thing about Unreal Engine 5 is, dude, I doubt it's gonna be. I don't know, I feel like everything is kind of pushed back right now in terms of release dates and all that stuff. Oh wait, I need to go to my lobby GM. 3 is the max players. I don't know what's going on here. UE4 will be an update. Robert, did you use gas? Public. Gameplay ability system. Let's see, can we make free games using Unreal Engine 5? Next gen console. Did anyone buy the next gen console? Okay, is it gonna start the game? I use advanced Steam sessions plugin. Yeah. Oh god. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, it's just stuff right here. It's because the listen server. Yeah, let's see here. Oh yeah, I was gonna do this 4 because yeah, I'm not really good at being focused on stream. Like, development on stream is really slow. Oh, it didn't create the player. Oh, that's why. I know why I'm doing it. Okay. So let's see here. What's all this stuff? Castle lobby player state. That's in the third person character. It's not working. Let's see here. No one trying to access that. Yeah, it's because it's just run on the server. So I need to do that. Okay, I need to run this in standalone, that's why. I keep forgetting. Okay, so here we are on another map, but no names. Okay, so we gotta figure that out. No names. Select the viewport, go ahead and close that. So it didn't do any names, which means that this ship map game mode. We did set player name. Executes on server. Okay, let's do that. Run on server. Yeah, dude, where is Rubber Ducky here? I think he's AFK. We need Rubber Ducky. Where is he? It's hard to buy a new graphics card because of COVID, yeah. Can't do anything. No. Disappeared. Where'd it go? We made it to the map, but we didn't make the name again. Lobby, game mode, player state. This shouldn't be ever called player controller, server text on a server, multi-text. 70% of Paragon. Update player state. Okay, so hold on, let me test this out again because I think I like messed some stuff up. Read out your error out loud. I can see screen clear might be able to help. Yeah. Client, yeah, so it just disappears. Boys, we creating more bugs. See, no one access. Trying to read a lobby UI and server text. It's because I need to cast to the third person character. Let's see here. So I think I messed up somewhere along here. The UI and the character. Will the text notify? Houdini for game dev. Dude, I just need to make it so I can just drop right into the game. Don't have to, There you go. So I must have did something. Or maybe it's just because of that. Okay, and then now I'd be calling the event. Okay, so that's doing that, that's doing that, that's doing that, that's doing that. We're not saving the name anywhere. Update player state, maybe. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. What's Discord? So we don't have names on the server. Kill all the instances. Okay, so that means that we're not doing this stuff here. We need to set the text. Right here we need to do all this stuff. Server text. Update that. Saving that. Did I do that? Player name variable. Maybe that stuff is all just all weird. So this is a ship map. So we go to that. Executes on server. Stop repeating it down. Yeah, dude. Dude, streaming is kind of distracting. Okay, so for now, at least the colors all work. Obviously names aren't carrying over for some reason. It's kind of annoying. Let me get rid of these guys real quick. They're just there for scale. Okay, so we need to randomly select yeah, dude. Game is not close to being done. Alright, let me just get here. Why a hunch over names carrying over properly? Yeah. So the hunch is, here's the event, right? So this event gets called when we join this map right here. It's not run on the server. Okay, so it casts the third person character ref, which I guess I think I set it up, yeah. And then once it casts the third person character, it opens up this. It sets the name. to this name right here. Try running event on that owning client. Let's see here. Which one? This one? On owning client? Because this is my color one that I set up. Okay. So player state, I set a reference to the third person character in there, and then I call this set up the player color, and that sets it on the server. It casts to the third person characters, set player color, and that does that set with notify and multicast, all that stuff. This one, the player name. It could also be that it's not saving the name. Like I'm trying to save the name here. Update the player state. Basically, I'm trying to get the name. Here, actually, I got an idea. Do this. Do this. Then okay, I think that should work. Dude, I need you to make this game for me. Alright, let's see here. Ship map, main menu. Dude, what's this Robert guy talking about? I am so lost in the chat, I don't even know what's going on. I think that's what happens when I don't have any music playing. Yeah, I really need to set up a voice meter or whatever it's called, something banana. Public host. Dude, the funny thing is it's not even like that late. It's only like 11 o'clock. Player name. We've only been streaming for an hour. 109 minutes, well, over an hour. Yeah, dude, the Robert guy, I have no idea what's... Oh, here we go, dude. Here we go, boys. Kind of works. The blue character, I think, was the one that joined late. Yeah, so what I did to fix it was I updated the player state while I updated the third person character's name. So I could do it directly to the player state. I don't need to do this stuff. See, can I get player state? And then I created my own name variable instead of using the one that they already made. Text. Why did I just drag that? I don't know why I got the variable there. Storing the name. Yeah, I'm storing the name in the player state. That way I can carry it across to the next map. Yeah, I should get earbuds. Yeah, dude, Robert has like a million messages in the chat. Okay, remember which ones are which. So this guy is green. This guy red. Then this guy is not going to have a name because it's going to automatically join to the map. Yeah, so the color kind of got messed up. Oh wait, no, he's red, yeah. Green, I think. Right, was it green? I think so, yeah. The names, okay, and the name of that one is gone. Because it's, let's see here. Instantly sending them off to map, it reaches set number of players. Yeah, after it reaches a set number of players, it instantly sends the map. Which is fine. Like obviously the blue one, I wasn't able to set that name. Yeah, I'll set a delay before it reaches the actual level, but the problem right now is that it's not changing the name of this one, because remember I set this one to red. Yeah, or a manual start button, I'll do that. But so the server one right here, this is the listen server. It didn't set its name. And then this one right here, it was red, but it never set its name to red. Oof. Oh, player state, I did this third person right here. Yeah, let me do this. Let me change this back. Run on server. Reliable, it doesn't really matter. Let's see here. Do that, do that, do that. Yeah, I'm sending them between two maps via the player state. So I'm copying the properties. It works for the color. Yeah, I'm using server travel. And also, so if I go into my lobby game mode, this is start game, which basically opens the map. Players, yeah, I'm using copy properties right here. That's how I got the color to work. And then in here, my lobby game mode, I'm doing server travel and using seamless travel. Yeah. So let me test this again real quick. I think I might got it. Okay, so remember this is orange. Oh, orange. Nice bug. What? Rip. Okay, so there's that bug. It's annoying. This is executed on server. This is called... Shouldn't ever be called in lobby. Printing the player state in the second level help you debug, yeah. So let me think this through. This didn't do that, so... Check out the model in Sketchfab. I tend to use the settings when editing player state. Okay, did you see it print string? I didn't see anything. Let me just check this. So we did this set name variable there. Override with name variable. Yeah, I mean the color works. Using breakpoints. Set. Have you searched a minus 3D model on Sketchfab? Yeah, so let's see, third person character. Replicated. Ship map, game mode. He already has model, he needs to check. Do later. All right. Yeah, dude, I'm pretty tired too, even though it's like 11. Player state, I think this is where it's kind of breaking. So when we're doing this, we need to instead do this. State, run unknown client. Hold on. State is on the server and a client, so all right, peace out. See here. The Kiwi Kingdom. So whenever it does that event, it just doesn't like that. Update player state. Casting it to the lobby player state and doing that stuff, it doesn't like that at all. What do you want me to check out? Some model, Sketchfab. So I need to figure out how I'm gonna handle setting up a random imposter and also the crewmates, and also I need to figure out how to store tasks and how to randomly assign them. So I'm gonna use probably an array. Kind of spelt. And then okay, so it's doing it. Okay, so it could be two possible reasons. This event right here. Hold on, let me write this out. Okay. Update player state. So it's just not carrying over the name from this. I should just do everything off of this. I don't know why I'm using this garbage event. There we go. Pretty sure I'm gonna save like 1,000 things in my problems. Also, I need to remove this. Cast a third-person character. Yeah, I'm not. Dude, it's struggle city when I try to stream and do this. Especially with no music, it's kind of sucky. Imagine a VR version. Dude, that'd be spooky. So imagine you're running around a map, except in VR, and you're like doing the wires. If written note is action does not need cast. What do you mean? Mean right here. The thing is, here, I'll show you. Right? Like that. So look at the colors. Oh God. Black. So this one is black, right? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I guess you're right. Don't need to use that for a cast. Don't need to use the cast. I don't know, sometimes it just doesn't do it. Player controller. This stuff is not really being used at all. Server text, multi-text. Oh, it's event begin play, I think. I don't even know if this is getting done. I should just do this in construction. Oh wait, no, we're going to begin user widget object. Cast to that and set the reference to self. And then let's see here. Okay. RVR pipeline. Let's see here. What was I gonna do? A player name. Let's see. Message retracted. All right. See here. Okay, I'm gonna try one more thing. That's why. Wait. No, I did do it. What the hell? Let's do it just in case. Okay. Set the player name in the lobby. Okay, let me do this. So I need to figure out how to do the tasks too. Online, public, and somewhere along the line, the server isn't showing their name, but let's do this. Player said right here, let's do this. All right. I need to start working on actual game mode stuff, which is, like I said, randomly choosing who's going to be the imposter, as well as who's going to be the crewmates, the tasks that they're going to get. Brown, red, and orange. Okay, so who's going to be the imposter? How are we going to do this? Do it in our ship map. We can get rid of this crap. So I'm going to set it to be true. Probably not the best way of doing that. Right. Because you don't want people cheating. So you're gonna get the settings. And basically all the crew, you're gonna select randomly. So by default, everyone is not set to the imposter. And what I want to do is, out of one of the players spawn here, I want to make him the imposter. So let's see here. I'll do set imposter. Okay, so out of a random integer, if, like say it equals 5 or something, then we're going to set this person to is imposter. So if we have imposter set, we're going to do this. Probably in the game map, you'd get all the players and put them in an array and then pick them possible. I don't know, this would be really good for performance. Yeah, I mean, that'd be good. Because this is a little janky. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna do that. Let's see here. Kind of ghetto, but it's alright. So it's gonna run through here, false, no imposter set, blah blah, doesn't matter. Basically, if this random int equals 5, you know, random number. Max number of players, default value is gonna be 10. But it'll be updated for the session settings. So then it's going to set that player as imposter, imposter set, do all that stuff, and it's still true, it's gonna go there. Use the random integer in range between 0 total players in game. Yeah, that's what it is. The max value is 0. To 10. Except we don't really have 10 people to test it out, you know what I mean? Hold on, let me think about this. Controller, that we would want the, obviously, player controller 2. We need a widget. Create on the controller. And we need, let's see here. Controller reference. Use total players in map. Where's that? Actual total players. Number of connections is number of max players, but where's the currently connected? Yeah, this is number, I tested this out. This is number of connections that it can take. I don't know why they have it number of connections instead of, because if you, I'll just show you. If you do this, public connections right here is that number of connections. Yeah, that's 9 over here. It's like 11. Yeah, so number of connections, public connections. Because I tested it out. To keep track of players, I'm sure there's a way you can pull this out. Get number of player. I know you could do it in this game state. I think there's a number of players in the game mode. Get number of network players. Maybe. I don't even remember what I was using this for. Okay, so random imposter thing. Yeah, like you said, QE, I could do an array. Like, that would be a good idea. Live in Hawaii? No, I live in Alaska. So like at the very end of handling all the new players, I could do a which would be, I think, a better way of doing it. Probably do it the way QE said, because that's how I set it all up in Fall Guys. Going to call a custom event here. It's going to be choose imposter. So we're going to get an array of, should I do characters or controllers? Well, characters have the controllers in them, so I'm going to promote this to a variable, change this to an array, change variable type. Look at that. Players. So in here we can go ahead and add that to the array. You think I could use a stream tutorial for game creation, including previous two? Yeah. Well, I don't know. If you try to follow this as like a tutorial, it might be a little scuffed because it's not like a step-by-step. What network are you using for the game? What do you mean? Total players -1 as array index starts from 0. Okay. Total players -1. Oh, yeah. Yeah, what you said. Okay, so somewhere in there, we're going to do a check. I think at the very beginning, we're going to count how many players. And once everyone is spawned in, I think, or what? Or after like 10 seconds, we'll do it or something. What should we do? Oh, yeah, and this is going to be called... Actually, no, I'm not going to open it up again. Oh, yeah, event begin play. Get a 5-second delay, and then we'll choose imposter. And then we're gonna add in here spawn around cafe table. Put frozen for now. Okay, so we're gonna choose imposter. So we're gonna do a let's see here. So one of these characters is going to be the imposter. I guess we could have we could do this. Get add a random integer. Max number of players -1. Since array starts as 0. And 1, 2. I guess it doesn't matter. We're going to set is imposter. So that's gonna fire off once, right? choose a random integer between the max number of players minus 1. And that's going to choose in our array of players and set one of them to the imposter. Okay. And basically, we also need to set up the crewmates. So crewmates will automatically be crewmates by default, which means that we then need to cast to this character that is the imposter and give him a special UI or something, or print string, something the difference to test the UI. Yeah, because we want to draw the crewmate UI versus the imposter UI. But right now my max number of players is set to 10, so I need to decrease that, obviously, because I'm not gonna have 10 people right now. Have a print string or something to tell difference. Let's see here. Could I have a UI that I display? Star. Do I have a controller? I do. You could do a loop running. Okay. So I haven't even created a widget for this. We'll do this. What? Come on now. Yeah, dude. Among Us. Super fun. Let's see here. Event begin play. I'm going to show that. Add that to report. Here, we'll make this not visible for now. That way it's just like that. spawning the character, selecting that. Then it would do a for each loop for everyone, right? For each loop, or what? Basically, event begin play. I could do a delayed event begin play, which would work. I have a player controller reference, so I could use that. Because you want to. Where did I have my widget at? I didn't even close it. So the main widget, I have 2 events in there I can do. So if they are the imposter, we're going to Can I speak? Yeah. I'm just tired, dude. It's like almost 12. I've been banging my head on a stupid thing. Okay, so in 5 seconds it should choose an imposter. It's been more than 5 seconds, boys. Event handle new player. I don't think that's even being called, so. And that just is normal. Because if I do it on the server, it's just gonna cause some errors. Or if I do it on client only, it's not gonna show up for the server. Because the listen servers are kind of dumb. The way listen servers work. Get number of players. Okay, I'll save that for later. Yeah, dude. A lot of this stuff is like not even like documented. It's kind of scuffed. Dude, I'm kind of tired. But I haven't done like anything, to be honest. Kind of feels bad. Oh wait, did I even... Where is his imp being called? It's a cluster, dude. We'll see. Let's just say I'm not doing too hot today. 50% same, won't understand. What? For blueprints, you need to understand the C++. What? Hold on. Okay, so in 5 seconds, something should happen. I don't even think I set up the anchoring, so it could be off screen somewhere. So out of all the players array, let's see here. Probably needs to be run on a server. Yeah, I don't know about that take, yeah. Yeah, you don't need to really understand any C++. If you know programming, it would be easy to understand. I mean, I guess. Dude. I wonder if someone's gonna make Fall or Among Us. Some other YouTuber or something. Yeah, my Fall Guys video was cool. Didn't do anything as complicated as this. Print strings, yeah. That's what I need. Oh, look. It worked, guys. I'm the imposter. It worked, boys. I'm the imposter, boys. Poggers, boys. Look how stupid that looks. It's just like some button with like the text not even stretched to it. But it's like it's a small victory. I'm all like celebrating over this. Alright, let's see what we can do with this. Okay, so. Nice. Should work on some UI stuff for the players. Yeah. Alright. So this means that if they're not an imposter, we can do a delay, right? If we really want to. Wouldn't recommend doing this ever, because it's kind of scuffed. Oh wait, no, that's not gonna work. Let's see here. Okay, imposter, it's gonna choose imposter. Then we're gonna do another event after this, which is or assign tasks. Okay, so we're just gonna choose imposter, assign the tasks, right? So right now, that means that works. Should I make imposter UI a whole separate UI, or should I'll probably keep them together. Let's see here. Okay. So where was I at? Right here, assign tasks. Okay, so how am I going to do the task system? So there's going to be a list of tasks in the game. In the game mode, tasks are going to be assigned, and then in the game state. All right, here we go, boys. I wish I had a lot of subscribers. Yeah, me too. Okay. Player, their UI. Okay, so their UI is gonna update from their from the taskbar in the game state. So list holds a list of tasks. So depending on number of players, let's say what is it? 3 tasks assign 3 tasks per player. Oh yeah, how does the task system work? Is someone said that there's like general tasks that everyone can do, and then there's tasks that you have to do. At least right now, I think I'll just do it 3 tasks per player that they have to do. Yeah, task masters. So it's going to assign 3 tasks per player. Super chat. I don't know how to enable it. I don't know how to do the super chats. Feels bad. So it's going to hold a list of tasks. Then I want this to be bound with that, or at least the tasks be bound to the game state. So whenever a player, I need to do it in the player state, right? Yeah. Okay, so player state. Support me on Patreon, yeah. My Patreon's kind of, I need to update it. Doesn't really have, it's like bare bones. There's one person on my Patreon, and he's been a champ ever since the beginning. I need to make him like, I don't know. Oh yeah, I made you guys cool roles in my Discord. iTitan and Rubber Ducky. You guys are both cool dudes. Publish this on the Play Store? Maybe. Okay, so we're gonna player state is gonna hold the tasks. And we don't have to worry about the UI right now. So tasks. How we're gonna store the tasks. So Let's see if that is that. So let's say one of the tasks is to, yeah, you're cool, dude. I know there's not a lot going on here, guys, but this is some pretty technical stuff right here. Alright, so we got, depending on number of players assigned, 3 tasks per player into the player state. And then also when they complete a task in the player state, it's going to be tied to the taskbar or the game tasks. So assigning it in there would also assign it in there, plus the player in the game state. Except I'd probably want to all do this in a game state on like event begin play. Let's see, current state. Or we could do it here, it's probably fine. Then for tasks, we're gonna do what? Enumeration. Let's see, you want to go to a certain spot on the map. Tasks, so some of the tasks are, we'll open up the map here so we can get a visual representation. Okay, so some of the tasks are throwing away the trash, downloading whatever, swiping your card, doing the wires, plotting the navigation chart, just like basic stuff. So it'd be like what, a collision box or something? Let's use this cube. So basically my task is to run to this cube. And the reason, here, I'll just do, here's a list. Yeah, there's a list task. So we got our volume, or box trigger. Okay, so let's say this is a task right here. They just have to run into this box. So how am I going to store this in the game mode? Or at least keep track of it. So I can make this a blueprint and name it. Dude, if I knew how to do blueprint interfaces, this would be probably easy. But so if they run into this collision box, it's going to check the player to see if that task equals this task. If it does, they can access it. Patreon. Dude, my Patreon's kind of not really set up. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so I can make an enumeration. Let's see. Yeah, I need to learn a lot of stuff, honestly. Okay. So let's say here we go into create a blueprint enumeration. Let's see here. Wires. Trash. Click on link. Stream pause for a second. It's probably like, dude, every time around. Can you guys see what's going on? Hello? Okay. Yeah. It's every time around like 12, my internet like is like sketchy. I don't know. I think it's my ISP. They probably like nerfed the speed. Let's see here. Buy beverage. What is this? This is not the map. Okay, here we go. Swipe card. Upload data. Divert power. Clean O2. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a few tasks for now. And then it will choose randomly 3 from the list, and it can choose multiple of the same tasks. So for each player, I want to do branch. Get there is imposter. Okay, so if they are the imposter, we're going to do nothing. If they aren't the imposter, we're going to assign a bunch of tasks. So I'm going to add a variable here. I'm going to name it tasks. It's going to be enumeration. Didn't even name this. Wow. Way to be organized. Link. UTC 8, so it's 1340. I mean 1. Okay, so list of tasks. We're gonna get list of tasks. Wires, trash. We're gonna get 3 of those. We're gonna get an array, right? I'm gonna have an array. And the player character. Switch on enum. What do you mean? Here from Nepal with crazy internet. Gotta need that Elon Starlink, yeah. Dude, I got some good internet, but it's costing me an arm and a leg. Man, I'm proud of your hardware. Well, my 1050 Ti, 16 gigs of RAM. Yeah, you surprisingly don't really need a whole ton to make a game. List of tasks. Okay, so we can choose a random one. Still waiting on Q kingdom to explain switch on enum. Does that mean like what? So switch. So if he does tasks, then I can. Huh. Okay. So, but I want a random one. I want to sign. Let's see here. Git list. I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna get their tasks, right? Still trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. So we're gonna add wires, a random one, right? Random enum, maybe? I don't know. I don't know how do we do that. Switch on enum is what we'd use in here. God, except I don't really know. If we change this back. Tasks are divided into categories: easy, simple, complex. Hold on. I'm trying to figure out how I do this. Add it to array, but for switch on enum, I don't know what I was talking about there. Also use a random integer for picking out a random enum. You can do integer to byte, byte to enum. I think that's integer to byte, byte to enum. Now that's some like. Okay, let's see here. Random integer. This is some Jimmy rigging right here, dude. Byte to enum. And then who fails to get a task on our imposter? I think watch gameplay or myself knows. Add some cool kill animation, yeah, we'll see. Add some sounds, yeah. Let's see here. For each, no, I already did it for each of the, but I don't know what I'm doing. This work? Random. Make pets, hats, and eject some more. I think Rubber Ducky's working on that. So random integer max between, what is it? Depending on. What would be the max then? 6. Or 5. Oh, I didn't do for... God, I don't know what I'm doing. Get... It's not an array. That's why. Get a random one and array. Should I just make it... Let's see if that... Oh, I need to do equals too. Wait, no. God, I'm lost. Like, I'm forgetting what I'm doing. Okay, so... Also, I don't know if this is most... Add a list of tasks plus a random integer. Yeah, so that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to organize the tasks into a list. I don't know if this is the most effective way of doing this in an enumerator. And then I want to assign 3 tasks to the character right here. So say we can like say a wire, swipe card, divert power, right? I don't know if that's a good way of doing it. So we can add a task, so random wires, random value between 5, because there's an array where there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think that would work, right? It's gonna add, except we need to do it, make a variable to each one. What do you mean? There's definitely a better way of doing this. That's definitely for sure. Like 100%. Should I just add variables? Oh, we need to do this 3 times as well. Make a variable for each task. So like in the list of tasks, turn this into an array and then make a default variable. Because I think that, yeah. Or not use the enumerator and just make variables. See, I don't know what variable to use though. Like what I'd use, like a text or something. And then also, I need to figure out how to associate that with like a box or something. So they have this thing that tells them to go do this. So when they go into this box, it's going to cast to the player character and see if they have that task. And if they do, then they can do the task. And when they press E, it's going to hold on, I'll be right back. I'm going to need to use the bathroom. Any ideas, boys? How to store a task? How to... Oh, I think I paused my stream by accident. Hold on. Or at least a video replay. Wait, am I live? Okay, so let's see here. So if they're not an imposter, we're going to get tasks. Just thinking of something like this, obviously a bit more in depth. Dude, also, you got a nice theme there on your nodes. Okay, let's see, for loop. Set random integer in range. So you're going to set task and add that to the task array. For each loop, last index, so you're going to do 3 indexes, right? Is that what that is? Last index is 3. Is this in the players? So, like, we'll just do this in the players. For that loop is created 4 types of quotes, random integer, and range. Tests. Oh, 4 types. Random integer and range. Well, wait, wouldn't the random integer and range, though, it's number of tasks. The last index is the number of the quest, right? Random integer and range is just like basically get a random number. And yeah, and the player character. Yeah, that's a good idea. Player character. Start with simple cube display. Wait, so first index, last index is 3. We're going to do, dude, QE, what time is it for you? I swear it's probably like, make this better than a real Among Us. I'll try my best, dude. I'm struggling. Let's see here, set task random integer in range. Okay, so we don't want it to do it 3 times though, right? So we did 3 times. We don't want the same 3 tasks though. But I don't know. Okay, so basically it's going to, and then we could probably do this. Print our task. Oh God. Wires, and the server gets tasks for some reason, but it's fine. This stuff, have to ignore this because listen server stuff. Wires, swipe card, wires. Wait, so it said wires, swipe card, swipe. How many did we get assigned? 4. So there's total of 6. Should that be 5, right? And then this should be 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see here. So we got clean 02. Wait. Trash, or I need to make this a little bit longer. Hold on. Let's see here. Duration, yeah, here we go. 10 seconds. I'm gonna read this. Just got upload data, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tasks. Oh. This is what you're talking about. Right? 3, 5. Random integer and range. Actually, I don't know. First index is, okay, this is a amount of times, so we want it 3. Oh, it's because I already have these ones. That's why. That's why, boys. So if I set this to 5, I should be able to. 3 upload at times 3 though, because it can. I need to remove it from there. WWT. Let's see here. 2 for tasks array. Begin play completed for each loop of that. Print the string for each of those. Uh, 0 and 4 and 0 and 2. That's what I did. Yeah. 0 and 2. Yeah, that's what I did. So they were 3. It's just I need to figure out how to make it so it doesn't assign the same one, which is if I were to do list a task. Which in the start, you know, I could have just made an array of normal variables instead of using enums. I don't know. Hold on, I messed that up. Oh wait, no. My bad. For each loop, we're going to get then we can just do a random integer right into there. Keep it English. Okay, so here, wires, trash, swipe, upload, divert, clean O2. Like I said, a little bit weird, but and then we want to remove at that index, so we're gonna get, what was that, remove item, that same item. So we're gonna get a random off of our list of tasks, not to be confused with the tasks. Okay. Here, I'll do assign tasks. That way it's more easier to understand. And usually here, let me make okay, so that should be removing that, adding that, and printing that. So wires, upload data, divert power. Wires, upload data. I need to add it and then remove it. For some reason it's doing 2. Upload, divert, clean, wires, upload data. Student 2 or the same one? So I don't want like the same task. Wires, let's see here. Could be because of my enumeration list of tasks. I don't even, at this point, I don't even need, like, I don't know why I'm using this. Get add to random index, gonna add that to our assigned tasks, and then we're gonna print assigned tasks. Going to add that. Oh yeah, I don't think I even removed it, that's why. Dude, I'm forgetting basic things. Dude, Kiwi, what time is it there? Are you still watching? Divert power. Trash swipe, divert power. Upload data, wires, swipe card. Okay, so I think that's working now. Trash, oh wait, no, trash, upload data. Nearly 10 a.m. What? Wait, so did you sleep already or what? Yeah, what even is sleep, dude? Okay, so the task system semi-works. I think that's just what I get for using enumerators. I did not sleep last night. I had to work on my projects to help other people out. So you didn't sleep at all, dude? The hell? Get some rest, dude. Yeah, dude, Titan. It's cause well, I guess, yeah, you were early, to be honest. But yeah, I've been streaming quite late too. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna change this here. We can do a list of tasks. I'm gonna set this to say text maybe. Okay, enumerator is equal to I proper sleep schedule on weekends only. Weekends I can go crazy. On weekdays, yeah. The same with me, dude. I think that's pretty much everyone. Like, everyone, at least like a majority of the people. Wires clean, O2, upload data. The majority of the people who watch my channel are like, let's see, 25 to like 30. So like everyone pretty much has jobs, and like everyone kind of has kids. I don't have kids. So like the only time really is on the weekends. Late nights. Weekdays. Can't really stay up on a weekday because like you have to go to work in the morning. Kids. See, trash. Why is it not randomly? Wait. Client. Why is this server? Yeah, I work. I got a job. Dude, my brain is like probably this, maybe. Should I call it a night, boys? I didn't really do much. So what I do? Pretty much nothing. I set up the name with the rep notify. So that works in the lobby, but it doesn't transfer over to this map. The name doesn't transfer over. And then I set up a task system, or Kiwi set up a task system. That kind of works, I don't know. I'm 15, yeah, dude. That's the best time to work on like game dev stuff, is when you're like young. The person who disliked it is that one guy who said I was clickbaiting, I think. He like came in a chat and he was like, "This is not the real Among Us." I'm like, yeah, it's in UE4. It's the funniest thing ever. Persistent levels, I'm having a struggle at the moment. Yep, I know. Click on certain node for raise, do the check to see if we get the same task. So if it's yeah, did everyone remember? Yeah, I should definitely get some sleep. Yeah, everyone remember that one guy who's like, dude, it's clickbait. He's like, this is not Among Us, this is some random program. Yeah, dude, I'm probably gonna go to sleep and then try to figure this out tomorrow. I swear, dude, as soon as I like turn on my stream, like I forget how to do everything. But as soon as I like I don't know. I started game development since 14 years old, now I'm 22, nice. I started back in high school. Except I wasn't as consistent. Swipe card. Okay, we'll swipe the card 3 times. Then we're done with our task. Okay, so I did set up the imposter thing. So we did set that up at least. Still learning, yeah. Just keep... Oh boy. What is this? Dude, imagine being an imposter and getting stuck in here. You're just stuck in the entire game. Oh yeah, so I'm thinking of adding a bathroom right here, maybe. So there's gonna be a bathroom right here. It's going to be an extra room that has an extra task. Yeah, Easter egg kind of. Yeah, I think I was talking about it on my other stream. So there's gonna be a bathroom right here. Basically, if you kill, oh yeah, so one of the tasks is gonna be to unclog the toilet. So there's that Easter egg, and then another thing is if you're in the imposter and you kill someone in the bathroom, you have the ability to flush the toilet. But the problem with that is if you try to flush it, or you can flush the body down the toilet, okay? If you kill someone in the bathroom, you can flush the body down the toilet, but there's a 50% chance that will clog the toilet and set off the alarms, or will like flush and like get rid of the body. Yeah. So it's like 50% chance that you're gonna get rid of the body in the toilet, or it's gonna set off the alarms. It's gonna set off the alarms, and then it'll be like one of those emergency tasks where it's like you have to the oxygen's being depleted, but you have to unclog the toilet. And then what other ideas did I have for tasks? Oh, I thought of abilities for like the imposter. So like one of the abilities, so like when you spawn in as an imposter, you can choose one of 4 abilities. Secret eject? What do you mean? Like suicide? Dude, wait a second. We should add an airlock. Dude, that would be so cool. Think about that. Like, say, like a certain entrance has an airlock or something, or like these little areas, the hallways like have airlocks. You can close the door and you can close like these doors right here, and then open the airlock, and it sucks out the players who are ever. That would be so funny. Like, think about that. You know how you can close the doors? How about it'll close the doors and open the airlock in that hallway, and it sucks out the players. That would be the funniest thing. Space toilets are basically an airlock, yeah. Yeah, so anyways, and leave the airlock open. I don't know. The 100 players meme. Which one? Oh yeah, there's like 100 players in. Yeah, where he like blows up like half the spaceship and like everyone gets sucked out. Yeah, so abilities. So the imposter can choose between 4 abilities at the start of the game, and they can't change it. And one of the abilities, like I think I mentioned this before, you can change your color for like 10 seconds. And another one would be you'd be able to your cooldown, your kill cooldown, because there's a cooldown on how on when you can kill again. So like if you kill a player, it'll be on cooldown. So one of the abilities would be you could choose if you wanted to have a cooldown on your kill in the vent. So like when you're in the vent, it doesn't decrease your kill cooldown or whatever. Definitely add a mechanic, certain areas where you can go because the airlock thing. Not anime. Add an animation when a player get ejected, like the guy stand in the airlock and get ejected. Dude, it would be cool if like, what if the crewmates could do that too? Would that be weird or would that be cool? Like say if the crewmates, like there's a button and the crewmate wanted to eject, say, a person that they thought that was the imposter. I don't know. Anyways. Yeah, dude, Space Mutiny. Yeah, dude, the airlock thing would be so much fun. Yeah, anyways, I'm probably gonna end the stream. I need to, yeah, right when Rubber Ducky shows up, dang. Feels bad. Remind me to push a button from Jackbox Party Pack 6. Dude, Kiwi. I'll have to try that tomorrow. Dude, I'm kind of tired. And I probably won't stream for a couple days because I need to work a lot on this. And it seems that whenever I stream, I get really distracted. So, yeah, I'll probably do some work on this a bit, like a couple days, and then we'll see how much I get done. I'll do another stream. Like, I'll probably get, yeah, that's the plan. Anyways, I'm gonna end the stream, guys, so thanks everyone for watching. Sorry if we couldn't get much done today, but it is what it is. It's pretty much game dev. And yeah, see you guys probably in the next video or whatever. Alright, peace out.